Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got a delicious and nutritious recipe that's not only going to tantalize your taste buds but also help you on your journey to a healthier you. Say goodbye to belly fat with our daily cucumber salad. So, here is what you'll need for our belly fat busting cucumber salad. Fresh and crisp cucumbers, washed and sliced. Juicy and ripe tomatoes, diced. Crunchy bell peppers, assorted colors, chopped. Red onions, thinly sliced. Vibrant parsley, finely chopped. Zesty lemon juice, freshly squeezed. A drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. A pinch of salt and pepper for seasoning. Now, let's put it all together. Start by adding your sliced cucumbers into a large mixing bowl. Cucumbers are low in calories and high in water content, making them a perfect choice for weight loss. Next, add in those diced tomatoes. They are rich in antioxidants and fiber, helping to regulate your digestion and metabolism. Here come the bell peppers. Packed with vitamin C and fiber, they'll keep you feeling full and satisfied. Red onions not only add a burst of flavor but also contain compounds that may help boost metabolism. Sprinkle on that fresh parsley for an extra dash of flavor and a touch of vitamin K and antioxidants. A generous squeeze of lemon juice not only brightens the flavors but also aids digestion and adds a dash of vitamin C. And for a healthy fat source, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. It's loaded with monounsaturated fats, which are great for heart health. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Give it a good toss to let all those flavors mingle together. And there you have it, our belly fat busting cucumber salad. This nutrient-packed dish is not only satisfying but also supports your weight loss goals. Remember, though, no single food can magically make belly fat disappear. It's important to maintain a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and stay hydrated. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes and wellness tips. Stay healthy, stay happy.